Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss something about design issues for the layers. So what are the design issues of that layers we are using for OSI reference model or layers for TCP IP reference model? There are few issues for their designing. So what are that issues and how these issues are addressed? Now these are the design issues for the layers: reliability, scalability, addressing, error control, flow control, resource allocation, multiplexing, routing and security. Now let us start with a reliability design issue for the layer first. So network channels and components may be unreliable. So it results loss for data transmission. So it is an important issue for designing that it should be reliable and data should not be lost in that layers. It means as reliability. So it means we have to use trusted internet service providers. It means we have to use trusted devices, cables or communication links, and we have to access trusted data, which comes under reliability. Second design issue is scalability. So in scalability, networks are continuously evolving, the sizes are continually increasing, leading to congestion. So when new technologies are applied to the added components, it may lead to issues. And because the design should be that the networks are scalable and accommodate such additions, means whenever there is a increasing size of data or networks over internet or over the communication, so just to maintain the scalability and proper communication from one end to other end, that network bandwidth or devices bandwidth should be scalable. So it will occupy increasing demands of that network and devices. It comes under scalability design issue for the layers. Our third design issue is addressing. Sometimes we found that many more messages and many more information is interchanging over the internet. So that time we must understand from where the data is coming and who is the sender of that data. And when we are accessing few servers, so that time we have to clearly understand from where we are getting that data. So for addressing, we must know who is source and who is destination, their addresses, and each and every layer will clearly understand source and destination for that message or for that data. So addressing is the main design issue for the layers, and with the help of addressing, layers will easily understand logical addresses of source and destination. Next design issue is error control. So we are aware and sometimes we are experience that there is a corrupted data. Maybe we are sending some data and it will not receive properly at the receiver end. So we may say that there is an error in that data, or the data is not readable or in use. So for that, there are some error detection and correction techniques are available, and with the help of that kind of error detections and correction techniques, error should be detected at the transmission or at the same time while transmitting a data. So the correct data will send, and if it is error, so there are some error correction mechanisms or techniques available, so that data corrected itself at the time of communication only. So the proper data communication will happen if there is a proper error control mechanism is available. Now next design issue is flow control. It happens only when sender is sending at fast speed and receiver is unable to match or cope up with the speed of sender. So in flow control there are a few protocols we are using to control this flow control condition. And what will happen actually in flow control, sometimes sender is sending fast, receiver is not able to match the speed. Sometimes receiver is able to receive all kind of messages and sender is sending slow. And sometimes maybe the devices are not cope up with the bandwidth of line or link or cable. Maybe that cable is having 10 mbps capacity and the devices are having 100 mbps or 1000 mbps capacity. So that time flow control is more important, and we'll experience that for some devices they are using buffers, or you may call it as a buffer memory. So few next commands are stored in that buffer memory to maintain the flow of that traffic. So for that flow control mechanism, receiver will continuously sending messages to that sender that they have to send data fast or they have to send data in slow manner. So this is our flow control issue with designing for the layers. Next design issue is resource allocation. So while allocating resources in computer networking, to allocate and deallocate resources to the process. So this allocation of resources should affect on the host and on the channel also. So it should be minimal. So whenever we are going to allocate resources, so we must sure about that it is using maximum bandwidth and it will not affect on data and also it will not affect on channel. So this is our design issue for layers. Next design issue is multiplexing. So while communicating from one end to other end, it is not possible for each and every message to provide a specific channel. So in that case, channels should be multiplexed, and that multiplexing will help to increase the bandwidth or to save the time for each host, and it will also help for proper utilization of resources. So multiple devices can communicate at the same time and each and every receiver will receive a proper data. They are not going to detect any error in that data if the multiplexing is proper. Next design issue is routing. So at the time of communication, there are multiple paths from source to destination. There may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paths. So with the help of routing, it will select appropriate or optimal path for that communication. So it will not going to create any trouble for that sender and a receiver, and only because the routing is important, because with the help of that routing they are going to select a logical path for communication. If the path is proper, so data sending will be easy for the devices, so automatically it will increase the speed and reliability and scalability of the communication. So selecting appropriate path in routing is important, and for this routing there are some algorithms are useful, like routing information protocol, like open shortest path first protocol. These routing techniques or algorithms or protocols are useful for routing. Last design issue or challenge for the layers is security. So in data communication, for security, we have to save our data from threats like eavesdropping and alternation of messages. So there should be adequate mechanism to prevent unauthorized access to data through authentication and cryptography. And only because we'll experience that there is a authentication and authorization mechanism for every system nowadays, like they are providing few usernames or password, or they may be asking us to enter captcha or code for that kind of transactions or session. So these sessions and transactions are monitored using that captcha field or few code fields. So these are the design issues for the layers: reliability, scalability, addressing, error control, flow control, resource allocation, multiplexing, routing, and security. If these things goes well, then only the proper communication will happen within host, within system, and also over internet. And if developer will handle these things, so it will definitely satisfy the client and customers. Thank you.